The Sputnik V vaccine is going to be available in the market. Now, the chairman of the COVID working group, N.K. Arora, spoke exclusively to India today on the rollout of the Sputnik V vaccine. Arora confirmed that Sputnik will be available in the market from the coming week. Sputnik V is to be given to private sector first, as the vial needs to be kept at a certain temperature. India is to get an X amount of vaccines in the next 3 months.
Sputnik V is a vaccine which, according to the government, will be made available to Indians very soon. How soon do you think people will be able to get their hands on it? And will Sputnik V be given in schools, or will it be given to private players first?
So, Sputnik vaccine is already there in the country. I understand about 15 million doses are already there. And from next week onwards, I think distribution is going to start. Probably it might start with private sector or big hospitals. And the reason is that it requires minus 20 degree storage, although in public sector also that is possible. The other thing is, once you open the vial, the vial has to be used within 2 or 3 hours. So probably we will see. But certainly in the schools and other things, it will not be. In a camp mode, probably it cannot be done. Or a program can decide. It can be given, because if there are more than 10 people and it is to be given. But to my understanding, private sector probably will get that dose.
That's a big piece of information that's coming in India today. As Aishwarya Paliwal gets that information, 15 million doses of Sputnik V already in India. The other heartening bit of information is that there is a glimmer of hope in India's war against the coronavirus. The data that we are about to show you seems to indicate that the infection rate in India is slowing down. A reduction in R value below 1 indicates that the infection is likely to spread slower than before. So even as we speak, data indicates that India's R value has dropped to 0.98. It was 1.08 on the 5th of March. It had climbed to 1.56 in the 3rd week of April, and since then it appears to be gradually coming down. R value indicates the number of people that one COVID positive person can infect or pass the infection on to. And it's been below 1 in states like Maharashtra, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh.